I've read up on this really cool way to easily identify muffler leaks so that we can put some of the sealer on it and then hopefully get rid of them. So I'm gonna use the exhaust on my vacuum to push air into the tailpipe. I got myself some soap and water. We're gonna start up the vacuum and just start spraying all around the exhaust under the car and look to see what bubbles start popping up. Now, the one thing that I really like about this method is that you don't have to run the car. So we don't have to worry about the exhaust filling up the garage or getting in my face while we're trying to figure out where the leaks are. So I'm using a piece of tape to hold it in position, but it allows the air to escape if it has too much pressure so that nothing gets damaged. You could also use a leaf blower, I guess, if you wanted to. Compressors are not good for this because they can be too powerful and you don't want to damage anything. That's definitely a leak here. I'll do my best to try to clean them off here. So I tried to put a thick coat on. It says that it needs to dry for about 30 and then I'm supposed to run the vehicle. Obviously I would have liked to clean it up a little bit more, but I was sanding it with multiple grits of sandpaper and there was only so much I could do. So hopefully this works out.